Well, here's another part to this after I've pretty much cleaned up everything. Check my ring gaps. Turned out one of my intake valves was bent, which was not helping either, I guess, with the compression issues that I have with this thing. But I've got 2 spare engines of parts, and then some really. I really collect parts for this bike because it's the one I ride the most. So I redid my valves, put new seals in, new valve stem seals down in there, and yeah, these are in really good shape, really. Everything was, you can tell it's definitely low miles. It is not abused at all until I get my hands on it, I guess. So I need to start reassembling this cylinder head. I got this all cleaned out and ready to go as well. And I don't think I'm going to put the cylinder back on today. The person supposed to be helping me do it can't come over until tomorrow. So I'm in no rush, really. I got to order a tire for this thing too as well. So after I get this back together, I have to fix this right there and replace that with what's supposed to be there. That was one of my F-ups from when I first got this bike all these years ago, and it's throwing my rear tire off a little bit and wearing my tires out a little too fast. So I found the shock mount, and I got to take the old one out, put it in, and then I'll stick this back in.